Welcome to this walk around video. Today we have something a little different in stock with this Land Rover Defender 90 hardtop. However, this does have a full urban exterior conversion, so I'll talk you through the spec that comes with that. It is finished in Santorini Black metallic, and urban wise you do have the urban lettering and badging to the front grille. They have chosen also a red pinstripe around there as well. You do have the wide track wheel arch extensions and the front canards, and arguably the best option from urban, the WX1 22-inch alloy wheels complemented with the red brake calipers. You do also have the urban bonnet and side vents. Do have to apologise, it is drizzling at the minute. Moving around to the rear, you do also have the rear spoiler and the urban wheel cover, as well as the badging down there. As this is the hardtop commercial, it does have the rear kitted out with the rubber flooring and the metal cage door for extra security, and that is the soft close assisted tailgate. Inside it does have a full Raceline seat conversion in full black leather, as well as the red contrast stitching and interior elements as well. It's just offsets from original Defenders. Does have your semi-analog interactive display with satellite navigation. This car has done just over 20,000 miles. That being said, it does come with a full Land Rover service history. Does have the 10-inch touchscreen with CarPlay, satellite navigation, your 3D surround cameras, and your dual zone climate control down there with your heated seats. Overall, just a lovely example Defender 90, especially with it being the commercial and the full urban exterior kit with mud flaps there as well. If you do have any questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133.